Stop by and take a look at the 2023 XC60. From sidewalks to pathways in the blink of an eye, the XC60 was named a Consumer's Digest Best Buy in the cars, pickups, minivans, SUVs, and hybrids category. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, heads-up display. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.